Diodes are electronic components that serve a significant role. They allow current to flow in only one direction, acting as a one-way valve within electrical circuits. This directional flow is useful for converting alternating current into direct current, a process known as rectification. Diodes are also used in circuits to protect sensitive components from potential damage caused by reverse voltage. In diode circuits, the unique behaviors of allowing current flow in one direction while blocking it in the opposite direction is governed by the diode's threshold voltage. When the voltage applied across a diode exceeds this threshold in the correct direction, then current flows. If not, then the diode remains off. And here's a few diode key facts. Its function is to permit current flow in one direction. Its importance is that diodes are useful in rectification and protection of other components.